Hello, and welcome to Lesson 4 of Rhino 3D for Beginners. Today we will be discussing the basics of adjusting curves, surfaces and shapes in Rhino 3D. First, let's try to adjust the curve in different way. Choose Show Object Control Points, select the curve, press Enter. Now move the control points to adjust the curve shape. Click on Show Curve Edit Points, select the curve, press Enter. Move the curve edit points to change the curve shape. We can add more control point to the curve by using Insert Control Point command. To delete control point in the curve, choose Remove Control Point, select the curve, press Enter. We can also use Show Object Control Points command to deform the surface shape. We use Rebuild Surface command to change the surface control points. Now let's proceed to edit and deform 3D shapes. Choose Cap Planar Holes to get a solid shape. To remove a surface from a shape, choose Extract Surface, select the face you want to extract, press Enter. To remove poly surface from a shape, click on Unjoin Edge, select the edges of the poly surface, press Enter. Use Fillet Edges command to fillet edge in a shape, set the radius in the command bar. Select the edges and press Enter. To chamfer an edge, choose Chamfer Edges command, specify the distance in the command bar, select the edges and press Enter. The Wire Cut command trims a poly surface with a curve. Select a curve as the cutting curve, press Enter. Select a poly surface to cut, press Enter. Pick the first cutting direction and depth. Press Enter. To move a poly surface face, choose Move Face command. Select the face you want to move. Press Enter, specify the direction. Choose Extrude Face to extend a face. Select the face you want to move. Specify the direction and the distance. Use Turn on Solid Control Points command to adjust a 3D shape. Move Edge used to move an edge of a 3D shape to a certain direction. The Split Face command divides a planar face of a poly surface with line or curve. Round hole used to create a hole with a specific radius and depth. Choose Make Hole to create a customized hole. Select a planar and closed curve. Press Enter. Select the poly surface. Press Enter. Then drag your mouse to specify the depth. To move a hole, use Move Hole command. Select the hole, press Enter. Specify the direction. To rotate a hole, use Rotate Hole command. Select the hole, specify the rotation center and angle. To delete holes, use Delete Hole command. Select holes you want to delete. To array a hole, choose Array Hole Polar. Select the hole, then specify the center. Insert the array number. And press enter 3 times. Or, array hole, to array a hole in X and Y directions. Select hole, specify the number in the first direction. Then in the second direction. Drag the hole in the first direction to specify the distance between the holes. Then the second direction. Press enter. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, next week we are going to talk about the Boolean operations to create complex shapes in Rhino 3D. So hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next week.